we are going to see prose for the diary of Anne Frank. Do you know about Anne Frank? Who was Anne Frank? Anne Frank was a Jewish girl. She was 13 years old. 13 years old. So she was a Jewish girl. So they born and brought up in Germany. Already we know that Germany was under the control of Nazi party. That time the Hitler they started to catch Jewish people to kill them. So Anne Frank and her family, they moved to Amsterdam and they were hiding there. They were hiding in the attic of their father's friend's house, and they were living there. So that time Anne Frank felt very loneliness. So even though she is a 13 years old girl, she has her own family members and nearly 30 members. How many members? 30 members are there in the attic. They are hiding. They are in exile. Okay. So the 30 members were there, but she felt loneliness. To escape from loneliness, she was thinking how to escape from the loneliness. As last, she got an idea to write a diary. So diary writing. She decided to write the diary writing. Already we know that what is diary writing. Daily events we have to mention in a notebook or wherever it may be. That is what is known as diary writing. At first she felt it was a strange experience. Diary writing as a strange experience for a 13 years old girl, because she thought that nobody should be interested in 13 years old girls' musings. What do you mean by musings? Musings means thoughts. Even though she is only a little girl, so she felt that nobody will be interested in the thought in the diary of a small girl. So she decided to give a name to her diary, Kitty. What is the name she given to her diary? Kitty. Daily she was writing in the diary, and in that diary she noted all the important points in her life, what is happening in her family, same time what is happening in the Germany. Germany was under the leadership of Nazi people. Who was the leader of Nazi? Anybody knows who was the leader of Nazi? The great Adolf Hitler. Okay. So at first she felt a strange experience, and she feels that diary is very comfortable zone for her to confide her secrets. What do you mean by confiding, sharing? Because paper has more patience than people. It is an important quote. What is that? Paper has more patience than people. In the diary, even though they were hiding, like our lockdown, they are hiding there, but she usually went to school also. So what is happening in her school during the promotion days? That is what we can see in this small chapter, the diary of Anne Frank. Understood? In that diary, she is giving a clear idea about her family, her friends, her relations, her neighbors, everything. So let us see the first 3 paragraphs of the lesson, the diary of Anne Frank. Thank you, children.